Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. It's 28th July, it's Sunday, and I'm still at my friend's place. So if you guys are new to my channel, do like and subscribe to my channel and be a part of my life, get to know me more. And if you haven't seen my other videos, I'll be linking down some of the videos. Do check them out. And yeah, right now it's nearly 7 p.m. and my friend Agusni, is down there in the second floor. Actually we are in the third floor, topmost floor, and she's busy cooking pork tonight because we're gonna have pork together, and I want you guys to see how she cook and what she's doing down there. She don't have any idea about me going down there. I was like lying down, I was taking rest, and I have this idea in my mind to go and take videos of her, so let's go. Let's go. Okay, that's my shadow. Okay. She's doing. She might be there.
No, not Kanza. Kanza is. Hey! This guy!
Hi! Where is the food? Where the hell is the food?
Go.
That is the food?
Go.
No, where is the
outside.
food? Okay.
You have to wait for that.
Tang tang tang.
No, stop.
No, just I want you. I want to film how you cooked. But where's the food?
Oh, I don't cook food. You go and film it.
Okay. Where is it? Oh, this is our curry. This is the pork curry. It's so dark. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh my god, it looks delicious. It smells good. And guys, now we're using this heater connected with this one. Yep, this is the way we cook. Still curry. It's so stupid. Yeah, we eat a lot.
That means I'll count this. I'll cook twice then.
Yeah.
It's better to eat
Six, nah?
a lot.
I'll count.
So-
Yeah, 6 is also fine. Or 7.
Oh, I think we will eat food
Six,
around.
let's take some from there.
No, we'll go from here. They'll not eat it. We cook because that.
Oh,
This one will be
we're gonna cook fries now.
4.
Aren't you hungry, baby? Are we gonna wait this?
Hey, it won't take time.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're cooking food right now. What's the time now, please, baby?
You're filming.
Yeah, I'm filming. I'm not filming you. Don't worry. I'm filming the rice, actually.
I hope not.
Yeah. Your hand is included. Don't worry. Okay. Anyway.
I'll go and.
Yeah. So this is another room. Oh my God! What is this? Wow. Where is the light? Can we on? She told me about. Oh yeah. Yes. Actually, this is others. I know. Oh my God, she's a good girl. Yeah, she's a good girl, and I'm so lucky to come inside this room.
Now you can ask any question.
So these are the word of God. Oh my God. So she is. What's her name?
Lucy.
Miss. Okay, Sister Lucy. This way. So she's writing everything down there.
Okay.
She's the kind of person who writes all these things. I'm a little bit hungry, baby.
Why you have to wait? Bell should have wait.
Yeah, I have to wait. No problem. So, guys, so sorry. It's totally failed. The curry was already finished cooked. The curry was already cooked, and I couldn't film the way she cooked. I was a little bit late, but I had shown you our curry. Now they're cooking rice, and I have to wait for some time. But I'm hungry, so I need to fill my stomach with something. Right now I'm in Lucy's room. She don't know me and I don't know her, but she's my friend's friend, so she's my friend, whatever. tonight's curry. So this is cooked by my friend Agasni Songshir. She's good in cooking. Oh, it smells good. Yeah. Actually, I did this one before, but
Donation here.
yeah. This is champut, cabbage and long bean. This is a pork curry. Thanks to Agasni. This is the chutney. Here's another one. It's cabbage and tomato. There's kathi. I don't know what it is called in English. This is a simple chutney. This is mustard. Yeah, hostel curry. So we're enjoying this one tonight. So I just finished dressing up with the same dress. Today is 29 July. It's Monday. It's currently 10:30. I'm moving out from this place directly to Bang, and after that I'm going home. So my friend Agasni, she already went home early in the morning. I really thank all my friends here for their warm welcoming, and I really enjoy my 2-day stay here. So yeah, I'm going. See you guys when I reach home. Guys, I came out of MU and I reached Bazaar. This is Info Bazaar. So I'm heading to YOUTHDAY right now from this place because I have some work at YOUTHDAY. I'm gonna meet one of our sir, and yeah, this is the situation. So I didn't finish my work today, unluckily. But anyway, I'm going now, and I'll update you guys later. You see, the whole place is busy. I have to cross this road and take an auto from here. Okay, so